So good morning all. I think you might have completed this fourth question and fifth question. Okay, let us move to the next question. That is the eighth question. If c square does not equal to ab and the roots of c square minus ab of x square minus 2 times a square minus bc of x plus b square minus ac equals to 0 are equal, then show that aq plus bq plus cq equals to 3abc or a does not equal to 0. Sorry, a equals to 0. So these two conditions we need to prove. If c square does not equal to ab and the roots of c square minus ab of x square minus 2 times of a square minus bc of x plus b square minus ac equals to 0 are equal, then show that aq plus bq plus cq is equal to 3abc or a equals to 0. So that means here also apply the discriminant itself only. So now you say this is something capital A, x coefficient you say capital B, constant term capital C. So since the roots are equal, first find delta. Delta is b square minus 4ac and equated to 0, you will get these two conditions. Okay, I will give 2 minutes time. Just try yourself. Here write down coefficient of x square is say capital A, c square minus ab, c capital B is coefficient of x minus 2 times a square minus bc, constant term say capital C. b square minus ac. Now find discriminant delta or d, capital D. b square minus 4ac. So b square means minus 2 times a square minus bc whole square minus 4 times capital A, c square minus ab multiplied with capital C. This is actually capital C, is b square minus ac. So now here minus 2 square is equal to, we can write 4, a square minus bc whole square is a power 4 minus 2 times a square bc 2ab, that is bc whole square is b square c square, and minus 4 times, just open the brackets of these two, b square c square minus ac cube minus ab cube minus into minus plus a square bc. From these two, let us take out 4 common. From these two, let us take out 4 common. If you take 4 common, what do you get now here? A power 4 minus 2a square bc plus b square c square. So minus b square c square minus into minus plus ac cube minus into minus plus ab cube. So minus into minus, minus into plus, minus a square bc. Any cancellation we can do it. Here c plus b square c square minus b square c square cancel. So remaining as it is will remain. Then it is equated to 0. Then so that you will get the answer. See the next step. Now since roots are equal, that implies the delta must be 0. That means 4 times a power 4 plus ac cube plus ab cube minus 2a square bc minus a square bc minus 3a square bc equal to 0. Divide both sides by 4. If you divide both sides by 4, what do you get now? A to the power of 4 plus ab cube plus ac cube minus 3a square bc equal to 0. If you observe the each and every term of the left hand side, we have a power 4 ab cube ac cube and minus 3a square bc, so that we can take out a common out. If you take a common out, you get a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc equal to 0. So now we get two cases. The first case is a is equal to 0. Next one is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc equals to 0. So this we can write a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to 3abc. Hence a cube plus b cube plus c cube equals to 3abc, or we get a is equal to 0. So you check the solution once again. Okay, next let us move to the next question.
What's your previous page, sir? Okay, sir.
Sir, can you show to the starting picture?
1 minute. Find k if, first question, x square minus 6x plus 5 equals to 0 and x square minus 12x plus k equals to 0 have a common root. Have a common root.
Sir, 17th question.
Sir, once can you show to the starting picture? Show next picture. Okay, sir.
Right. So now if these two equations have a common root, then we need to find out the k value. See, we know that if ax square plus bx plus c, or a1x square plus b1x plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2x plus c2 is equal to 0 have common root, then the condition is c1a2 minus c2a1 whole square is equal to a1a2 minus b1b2 into b1c2 minus b2c1. That condition is there. With the help of that condition also we can solve, or else first find the roots of this first quadratic equation. We can find out 1 comma 5 obviously. Put x is equal to 1, we get the 1k value. Put x is equal to, sorry, this is 3 to ja, x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 2. If you put x is equal to 3, we get the k value. X is equal to 2, you get another value. Like that also you can solve. Any method you can adopt. Okay. First, comparing these two equations. So we have a1 is equal to 1, b1 is equal to -6, c1 is equal to 5. From second quadratic equation, a2 equals to 1, b2 equals to -12, and c2 is equal to k. So they are called actually monoquadratic equations because coefficient of x square is unity. Since they have a common root, or they possess common root. That implies, what is the condition need to be satisfied? C1a2 minus C2a1 whole square equals to a1b2 minus a2b1 multiplied with b1c2 minus b2c1. So let us substitute respective values. So if you substitute respective values, what do you get now here? So we have C1 is what? K into A2, C2 into A2, K into 1 K. Next C2, sorry, 1 minute.
Even 5, sir.
Yes, C1 is equal to 5, C1 A2, 5 into 1 5, that is 5, minus C2 is equal to what? K, k into a1, k into 1 k whole square equals to a1 b2 minus a2 b1, that is minus 12. Am I correct? A1 b2 minus a2 b1, minus 1 into minus 6 plus 6 multiplied with b1 c2. b1 c2 means minus 6k minus b2 c1, minus into minus plus 12 plus 60, that is. So now 5 minus k whole square, you have 25 minus 10k plus k square equals to minus 6 multiplied with this also 6, with minus 6 we can take out common. If you take minus 6 common, we have k minus 10. Now you will be getting like this. This we can write k square minus 10k plus 25 equals to minus into minus plus 36, 36k minus 360. So now transpose 36k and minus 360 this side. So we have k square minus 10k minus 36k minus 46k plus 25 plus 360 equal to 0. So now k square minus 46k plus 385 equals to 0. Now it is a quadratic equation in k. We need to solve it. (385) factors. Let us try like this. See, for example, if you divide with 11, what do you get now? 11 3 ja 33, 11 5 ja. See, 35 plus 11 is 46. This is minus 11 minus 35 right now. So k square, this we can write minus 35k minus 11k plus 385 equals to 0. Right? K common, k minus 35 minus 11 common, k minus 35 equals to 0. So what do you get now here? K minus 35.
K minus 11. K minus 35 into k minus 11. K equal to 35 or 11.
K minus 35 equals to 0. K minus 11 is equal to 0. K is equal to 35. K is equal to 11. Therefore, K is equal to 11 or 35. Absolutely correct.
Sir, once can you scroll up, sir? Okay, sir. So next page, sir. Okay, sir.
Right. Let us move to the second question now. X square plus 4kx plus 3 is equal to 0. And 2x square plus 3kx minus 9 is equal to 0. Have a common root. Have a common root. That means if these two equations have a common root, then find the value of k. That is the question. So that is the question. Okay. So same procedure need to be followed here. First, so let us compare these two equations. Here a1 equals to 1, b1 equals to 4k, c1 equals to 3, a2 equals to 2, b2 equals to 3k, next c2 is equal to -9. since they have a common root. Since they have a common root, the condition need to be satisfied is C1A2 minus C2A1 whole square equals to A1B2 minus A2B1 multiplied with B1C2 minus B2C1. Now C1A2, sorry, C1A2. C1A2 means how much you will be getting? 3 into 2, 6. Am I correct? Minus C2A1. C2A1 means, so this is minus 9 into plus 1. That is plus 9. Whole square equals to A1B2. A1B2 means 3K minus A2B1. Minus 2 into plus 4K. Minus 8K multiplied with B1C2. That is minus 36K. And minus 3K into 3. Minus 9K. So now what do we get now here? This is 15 square equals to minus 5K multiplied with minus 45K. 15 square is 225. Minus into minus plus 45 into 5 also 225. K into K, K square. So K square is equal to 225 by 225, 1. K is equal to root 1. That will be plus or minus 1. Therefore, K is equal to minus 1 or 1. This is the answer. Clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right. Shall I move to next question?
5 minutes, sir. Okay, sir.
Next, third problem. If the equations ax square plus 2bx plus c equals to 0 and ax square plus 2cx plus b equals to 0. So here b does not equal to c. Have a common root. Then show that a plus 4b plus 4c equals to 0. This is the question. If the equations ax square plus 2bx plus c is equal to 0 and ax square plus 2cx plus b is equal to 0, b does not equal to c, have a common root, then show that a plus 4b, this is 4b, plus 4c equals to 0. So instead of applying that one, very simple manner we can do. Let alpha be the common root right now. First of all, substitute alpha in the first equation and the second equation. We get two equations. First, eliminate alpha square, subtracting. Find alpha. Alpha is the obviously becomes common root. Common root means it should satisfy first equation or second equation. Substituting the alpha either in first equation or second equation, we get this condition. See, let us do this one. Let alpha be the common root. Since alpha is the common root, it satisfies the first equation. That means we get like this: a alpha square plus 2b alpha plus c equals to 0. Say equation 1. Even it satisfies second equation also. A alpha square plus 2c alpha plus b equals to 0. Now apply equation 1 minus equation 2. Let us subtract equation 2 from equation 1. So that means a alpha square plus 2b alpha plus c equals to 0. A alpha square plus 2c alpha plus b equals to 0. Subtraction takes place. So if you subtract, change the sign minus, so minus. A alpha square cancel out. So from this we can take out the 2 alpha common. 2 alpha common means we have b minus c plus this is c minus b equals to 0. Now 2 alpha times b minus c equals to, if you transpose c minus b to the right hand side, it becomes b minus c. Since b does not equal to c, this condition is plays vital role now here. Since b does not equal to c, b minus c is not equal to 0, so that we can cancel them. 2 alpha is equal to b minus c by b minus c. Because you remember one thing, if b equal to c, what does it become? Means 0. 0 by 0 is not defined.
Alpha equal to 1 by 2, sir.
Yes. Alpha is equal to 1 by 2. Since alpha is equal to 1 by 2, alpha is equal to 1 by 2. Absolutely correct. Alpha is equal to 1 by 2. This is the common root. Now put alpha is equal to 1 by 2 in equation 1 or equation 2. In equation 1. Now then what do you get in equation 1 if you substitute? See, a times 1 by 2 whole square.
A times 1 by 2 whole square plus 2b of 1 by 2 plus b equal to 0.
Yes. So now we need to simplify this one. A times 1 by 4, 2 gets cancelled, b plus c equals to 0. So multiply with 4 on both sides. A plus 4b plus 4c equals to 0. So this is the required condition. You check what need to be proved. A plus 4b plus 4c is equal to 0. So you check the solution once again, all of you. Two alpha is equal to 1, alpha is equal to 1 upon 2. Put alpha is equal to 1 by 2 here, or in this equation also, no problem. You get this one. Right. Now the fourth question. If ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0 and bx square plus cx plus a equals to 0 have a common root. Have a common root. then show that a cube plus b cube plus c cube equals to 3abc. So first let us say let alpha be the common root. Alpha satisfies both the equations. Eliminate alpha square, then you get the alpha common root. Substitute alpha in any one of the equations, then you get the condition. From that we can derive a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. Right. Let alpha be the common root. Right. Alpha be the common root. Alpha satisfies this equation. So a alpha square plus b alpha plus c equals to 0. Equation 1. Even alpha satisfies second equation.
B alpha square plus C alpha plus A equal to 0.
Yes. So now our target is to eliminate alpha square.
Subtract equation 1 and 2.
Multiply first equation with b, second equation with a. So ab alpha square plus b square alpha square plus bc equals to 0. This becomes ab alpha square plus ac alpha square plus a square equal to 0. So now subtract. So if you subtract, what do you get? This is minus. So minus and minus. So both will get cancelled. So this is, sorry, 1 minute. This is alpha only.
Alpha.
Yes, yes. Alpha common. What do you get now here? B square minus AC plus BC minus A square equal to 0. So here we get alpha times B square minus AC equal to A square minus BC. We have common root is equal to A square minus BC upon B square minus AC. So now substitute this alpha either in equation 1 or equation 2. You will get the answer. Right? Okay. Right. Substituting alpha equals to A square minus BC upon B square minus AC in equation 1. So that implies what you get now here? A alpha square. A times A square minus BC upon B square minus AC whole square plus B times A square minus BC upon B square minus AC plus C equals to 0. This we need to simplify. Now how could you simplify? This will be, LCM will be here, you see, B square minus AC whole square. Now A times, this is A square minus BC whole square plus B times, you will be getting A square minus BC into B square minus AC plus C times B square minus AC whole square equal to 0. So now we need to simplify this one. So this will be A times A power 4 minus 2A square BC plus B square C square plus B times a square b square minus a cube c minus b cube c plus abc square plus c times b power 4 minus 2b square ac plus a square c square equal to 0 into this one. You will be getting 0. Now you need to simplify this one. You need to simplify this one. Okay, then what do you get now? Tell me. This is a power 5 minus 2a cube bc plus a b square c square plus a square b cube minus a cube bc minus b power 4c plus a b square c square plus b power 4c minus 2a b square c square plus a square c cube is equal to 0. Any cancellation?
No, sir.
See, check here.
C b power 4 cancels, sir.
Minus 2a square b square c square, a square plus b square c square, and also a square plus, sorry, this is not a, wait 1 minute. This is
minus b power 4c plus b power 4c.
yes, only that will cancel, that's all. Okay. Okay. Okay, what is this? This one is a square b square, am I correct? Right, a square b square c square. Minus 2b, sorry. 1 minute, let me write. Here I did mistake here, calculation. Let me complete. Minus 2a b square c square. This will be plus a square c cube equal to 0. So now you check here a b square c square plus a b square c square, that is 2a b square c square minus 2a b square c square cancel. Minus b power 4c plus b power 4c cancel. So remaining write out. What is the remaining we have?
Sir, minus 2a cube b cube bc and a minus a cube bc will, it will get minus 3a cube bc, sir.
Where?
1 minute, sir.
So okay. I could write later. Wait. I got it. So you specified this one and this one. Am I correct? Yes.
Yes, sir.
First we can write a power